YouTube channel in the forest, and we went away like we'd never seen. And there's sand and rocks and shells.
So let's show them around.
And yeah, and I got a stick. Come on. Guys, we're gonna show you everything in this.
And what are we gonna start with? The water?
Yeah!
Okay, go to the water.
Okay, let's go around.
Okay. Nice. Do another one. That's a big one.
Guys, I did a big one. Guys, now we're gonna show you our shells.
Oh, look it. We picked out all these shells that we're gonna bring home, and Tyson's gonna paint them.
Guys, now we're gonna look at the place where I was playing.
Playing with sand? Okay, let's show them. I think it's more that way. Write your name. T Y S O N. Good job.
You too. We're gonna show you a tree just popped up from its place, and we're gonna show you it right now. Let's go.
Uh-oh. We got stuck in our road. We gotta climb.
Wait, is it this way?
Yep.
I'm gonna oh, this way.
I'll help you. Give me your hand. Good job. Jump down.
Hey guys, have you seen me stick in the water?
Yep, it's in my purse.
Is that it?
Or my tortilla.
Bye.
Yeah.
Me and my dad was
Always
just
makes-
a tortilla box.
Yeah, they always make fun of my purse.
You too. We just found the tree.
Oh, let's go get it. Let's go see it. Whoa. Here it is. The tree lifted from the ground. Super crazy. Airplane.
Let's go back to the garden. Now we gonna show you this bird we just ran over.
We just ran over a bridge?
I mean, we went over it.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Guys, we just found a caterpillar, and it might turn to a butterfly.
Yeah, we'll insert in the photos.
Guys, here's the bridge.
Show us. Stairs? Yeah, there's not stairs. Be careful. Let's go on the bridge. Here's the spooky bridge. Huh?
It doesn't look spooky to me, guys.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
Oh.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed our video going in the woods and looking at the water. And we hope you can like our new videos. Bye!
Bye!
Like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!